Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great and healthy day and feeling pain-free. And today we are talking about a very nice percussion massage gun by a company called Opove. This is the M3 Pro. Appreciate them sending it to me. I will give you my unbiased opinion. You can also get more information down below clicking on the link. And if it makes sense, you can order it. If you find my video of help, always appreciate a thumbs up, especially if it adds value. If you're not a subscriber, please click on the subscribe button if you want to join Sid's Tips, and click the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos as I bring them out. So let's go ahead and first talk about what's included, and then we'll get involved with the specs. Obviously, you got the massage gun. It is a really nice massage gun. It weighs about 2 pounds, 5 ounces, so it's not too heavy, and it looks, really solid. When I had my friend pick it up for the first time, she stopped by. She's like, wow, it's not as heavy as I thought, because I had her test another massage gun. So it is a little bit heavy, but definitely lighter than others. We'll talk about as I turn it on so you can hear how loud it is. And it's got a nice little display back there. You got your power for your switch and your plug, your on and off main switch, but it really feels good. This grip feels really great. You also have a really nice case with the 5 different heads, and we'll get into that. You've got really nice instruction manual. The manual really is easy to read, which is nice because some of them are so hard to read, but they really did a nice job. And we're going to talk about the different levels, as this gets up to 3,300 percussions per minute, which is right there about. Some you'll see that are a little bit less. You might see that are some with 3,400 to 3,600, but this one's 3,300. And then you have the trigger point therapy for myofascial pain in this book, and that's great because it tells you the different areas of your body and how long you should use it. So nicely done there, and very nice box. I mean, it's really a sharp looking box. They've got the 5 different heads there, so nicely done there. Now, as far as for charging, you've got your port down there, you've got your on and off. Now, when you are charging, you need to turn the switch to on in order for you to see what level it is that it's charging. The display will actually flash based upon the dot. So you'll see there are multiple dot levels to let you know what level it's at, because you get it to 100% and then obviously down to 0. And we'll turn on the display for the other sections as well. So for charging, it takes 2 hours of charging and 4 hours of use. So for most people, 4 hours of use, that's gonna be plenty, because you're mostly gonna use it, 10 or 15 minutes at max. And so you figure, at the end of the day, you can just charge it back up. Now, if you're somebody that has a business and you're using this for your business, then you might find you can go through this quickly. You get, again, 2 hours of charging, 4 hours of use. You can always get another massage gun. And by the way, you can check out the promotions, because they always have some promotions, and I know that they currently have one as we speak. Let me share with you some of the other specs as well. It does turn off, and actually should say it stops working after 15 minutes, so it stops moving the massage head, and the display turns off after 30 minutes. All you need to do is just click the plus sign, which is the right button there, and that would get it going again. So as far as for power, and I'll turn that on and demonstrate that to you, it provides 15 millimeter amplitude with a max 50 pounds of force, again, while providing 3,300 percussions per minute. And it also has 5 different massage heads. So very easy to use. Again, you just have your on and off switch. You've got your 2 modes. It has a manual mode, and then also has an auto mode. And then on the right is your plus, and that changes the speed. So 4 different speeds. And then you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then off. And what's interesting with the auto is it adjusts to different speeds while massaging. And the way that works, and I'll demonstrate it to you. Let me get my manual out here so I give you the right information as well. So let me go ahead and put it on auto. Now I'm gonna put it, so we'll put it on like level 3 so you can hear how it adjusts. So level 3, well actually let me share with you. Level 1 is 2,000 to 2,500. Level 2 is 24 to 2800. Level 3, where I'm at, is 26 to 3100. So you could see it goes up and goes down. And level 4 is 2700 to 3300. Now, if I switch it to manual mode, then you can adjust the speed. So this is level 1. This is 2000. Level 2 is 2500. Level 3 is 2900. And level 4 is 3300. So you can hear it. It's not terribly loud, which is good. And that is, to me, I think kind of crucial that it, you don't want it too loud because you get a headache, especially if you're going to use this with your clients, then it will come loud. Now I want to demonstrate as well, which it talks about the force. So again, it gives up to 50 pounds of force. And I don't really know how to measure that. I can just show you here as I'm demonstrating it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it level 3. Now you can see all the lights are currently on there. Now if I give it a good force, which I'm really pushing down, so it actually will show you how the battery level went down a little bit. So, and then it comes back up. Again, if I force, I'm really forcing it down, then you can hear how the motor slows down, but then it picks back up and you're good to go. And then you can see the level light, and then you can just continue using it. So let's talk about the massage heads next. Yes, let's do that. So I demonstrate different ways that I'm using it here. So the first head that we're going to talk about is the ball head, and I love using it on my feet. But other areas where you can use it for are bulk muscle groups like waist, back, buttocks, thighs, and calves. Definitely around the hips and the buttocks area. That feels great. The next one is the bullet, which is great for trigger points to apply deep tissue massage and precise massage. I like using it also on my elbow in case you get elbow pain. Another great way to use it. The flathead is the next one, and that's for muscle relaxation, muscle plasticity is what they call it. And it feels great also on the thigh. Some have little bumps on the flathead. This one does not. It's just flat, which let me just show you there. So you can see sometimes they have the bumps. This one is just a flathead. And these are all plastic. There's no metal on any of the heads. So the next one we're talking about is the power head for massaging the neck, the hand, articulation, sensitive parts, and for sensitive people. Also along bone definitely will become very sensitive. And the last one that I had an opportunity to test, and this is the 5th one, is the fork head. And that is for applying massage the side of the muscles of the feet, the spine, and the Achilles. So you've got 5 heads, and to me, that is really key when it comes to using a massage gun. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you're using any massage gun, massage heads, you want to make sure as you are removing the massage head, you want to turn to pull out and then turn to push in. You don't want to force it by pulling straight out. Again, you just turn it to come out and then turn it to go in, and that will help keep your massage gun going longer. So that's an overall view of the Percussion massage gun. I really think it's a very nice massage gun. It is priced higher than different massage guns, but you pay for what you get, and this is a good quality massage gun. And definitely check out the promotions. I'll put again a link where you can get that information, but I like it. It's easy to use, it's not too loud, it feels good, and it works well, and it has 5 great massage heads as well. Let me know if you have any questions. I greatly appreciate your time for you joining me today as we dived into the Opove M3 Pro massage gun. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.